Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix the voice control or Google Assistant not working on your Google TV. This is a common issue where pressing or holding the Assistant button doesn't respond or take commands. Don't worry, I'll walk you through some quick fixes. First, do a hard restart. Unplug your Google TV from the wall, wait about 10 minutes, then plug it back in. Try the voice button again. This simple step often fixes it. If not, go to settings, then network and internet, and make sure your Wi-Fi is connected and working properly. Voice Assistant needs internet access to function. Next, head to settings, then accounts. Select your Google account, then go to Voice Assistant and make sure it's turned on. Still not working, go to settings, apps, then app permissions, microphone, and make sure microphone access is enabled for your apps. Lastly, check date and time settings. Make sure automatic time is on and your time zone is correct. If nothing works, try repairing your remote, usually by holding the home and OK buttons until it enters pairing mode. That's it, your voice control should now be working again. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.